So I wanted to tell you a story about my own personal experience over the weekend. I came home to water on my basement floor and I was wondering where it was coming from. I thought it was my hot water tank that I had replaced a couple years was already leaking. Well, that was inaccurate. So I left the basement, went upstairs for the night, came back down to recheck my basement for water on the floor. There was still some water on the basement floor. Later investigated, later determined that it was the sewer line that was backed up. And how I determined that, my sink that I have in my basement was full of water after I showered. So I had to call a plumber. And let me just tell you this, when you have a sewer line clog, it's not cheap. They charge what they want because they know it needs to be done. If it was an emergency call, it could have cost me anywhere from $800 to $1,500 for them to take 15 minutes to clean out my sewer line. Well, I later learned that I have cast iron, and when you do flush the toilet, you flush toilet tissue, the cast iron catches things, and they don't always go out with a few flushes. So here's what I learned, and here's the tip that I want to pass on to you. If you are leaving your home for more than a few days, and you're obviously using the toilet, the plumber recommended that I run the hot water from the bathtub for about 15 minutes before leaving the house. Here's why. He said before you leave the house for a couple days, the sewer line becomes really dry. If you have toilet paper sitting in your sewer line, it turns into paper mache because it gets dry. If it's sitting in a trap, over time, it will cause a clog. I've been in my home now since 2020, and it took 6 years for that to happen. He said it happens all the time. He sees it all the time. Is that you need to flush out your sewer line very, very good. Flush your toilet multiple times, run the toilet, run the shower. But if you leave the house after using your toilet, make sure you run your tub for 15 minutes. This will save you a costly mistake. And I'll tell you, even though it took years for this to happen, I ended up needing my whole entire sewer line jetted with water. And it cost me about $700 for 15 minutes of work. I want this to be a lesson, not only for me, but for you. If I can save you some money, please watch what you flush, okay? Because everything can get stuck, whether it's food, whether it's toilet tissue, paper towels, feminine products. You don't want to flush anything but a toilet tissue down your drain. No paper towels, no feminine products, no nothing, because it may not clog right away. It may take months and years for you to determine that you have a sewer backup. So if you're having any issues with slow flushes, if your drains go down very slow, you have a clog somewhere. Another thing you want to check out too and be careful is hair. If you need a recommendation for a plumber, meaning to clean out your sewer line, please, I can recommend you someone. You can mention my name. I don't know, what there will be as far as price, but I can recommend you someone good if you're having any issues. So there you have it. I hope this tip helps. I don't want to see you spend, money that you don't need to spend. Just take a little bit more care with your sewer line. I thought I was, but I wasn't flushing before I would leave the home for a couple days at a time. Hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.